All right, that's it. Let's go. I'm now ordering you to turn him over.
He's actually proven himself useful today. Man, let's be clear. Shield or no shield, the only thing you're running in here is your mouth.
Yeah. Should I put down the shield? Make it fair?
Release him to us now.
Hi, John Walker. Captain America.
Hey, John, take it easy. You might want to fight Bucky before you tangle with the Dora Milaje.
Okay. No. Well, let's put down the pointy sticks, and we can talk this through, huh? Look, I think we got off on the wrong foot.
Looking strong, John. Look.
Bucky? We should do something. Kyle.
All right, let's talk about this.
Bastard, damn you, James. He is gone. Leave it.
Did you know they could do that?
No. They weren't even super soldiers.
Come on. I can't believe you pulled in El Chapo.
I can.